Hi, this is Alex from Beech Hill Garage. We're delighted to be able to offer this 1965 MGB Roadster, finished in stunning iris blue. We've had the pleasure of selling this car previously, almost a decade ago, to the current owner. As you can see, the car is in genuinely outstanding condition throughout. The owner has certainly looked after it during his period of ownership. Its car's been previously restored to an extremely high standard. Bodywork remains in outstanding condition. I've been over the car thoroughly and I can't find any issues at all. So early cars really suit the iris blue colour scheme. Car drives extremely well, ticks over nicely. Nicely patinaed black leather seats with the blue piping. Hood's in great shape as well. Nice motor-liter wheel, complements everything. Dashboard in nice condition. I'll pop the bonnet whilst I'm here. Painted wire wheels, decent set of matching tyres. Engine bay, really well prepared. Car's obviously fitted with a servo. Still running a dynamo, but no charging issues at all. So the car has an oil cooler. Aluminium bonnet fitted. All the chrome work's really good condition. Thick history file. Beautiful car. Any questions at all, please get in contact with us at Beech Hill Garage. Thanks for watching.